हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हो आप? वेलकम इन द थर्ड वीडियो ऑफ मास पॉइंट ज्योमेट्री। अगर आपने फर्स्ट टू वीडियोस, फर्स्ट वन इज बेसिक इंट्रो एंड सेकंड वन इज MPG 1 आपने नहीं देखा है तो आई वुड सजेस्ट प्लीज वॉच द फर्स्ट टू वीडियोस, देन ये वीडियो आपको हेल्प करेगा। बिकॉज इस वीडियोज में मैं वो दोनों कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करने जा रहा हूं जो हमने फर्स्ट टू वीडियोज में डिस्कस किया है। इन द लास्ट वीडियो MPG 1 वी डिस्कस्ड साइड टू साइड रेशियो इन दिस फिगर. Today we discuss when we have third side, that is CF, and looking for a ratio F upon FB. So now let's start. Today we discuss the same problems which we have discussed in MPG 1 video. If you didn't watch MPG 1 video, so I strongly suggest to you, please watch MPG 1 video before this video. Figure number 1, we have outer ratio 3, 4, 2, 3 and we are looking for ratio of AF to FB. The question would be like this: ABC is a triangle, D is a point on BC, E is a point on AC such that BD is to DC is 3:4, AE is to AC is 2:3, BE and AD intersect at O, and a line from C joining O touches AB at F. Then what would be the ratio of AF to FB? We have 4 questions. We discuss all the 4 questions and looking for the ratio AF is to FB when we have other ratios given. अगर आपके पास ये क्वेश्चन आए देन आप ये मान लो कि आपके पास लाइन CF नहीं है। कौन सी लाइन हमारे पास नहीं है? वी डू नॉट हैव रेशियो ऑफ AF इज टू FB. सो हमारे पास लाइन CF है ही नहीं, सो हम लाइन CF को पहले हटा देते हैं. वी हैव ओल्ड फिगर, MPG 1 का जो फिगर था वो हमारे सामने है. नाउ स्टार्ट. टेक C एज 6, A इज 9, सो वी कैन से E इज 15. नाउ वर्क ऑन लाइन BC. B should be 8 because 24, 24. D should be 14. When we got all the weights, then draw the line CF and work in line AB. This one is 8, this one is 9. So the ratio of BF upon FA is nothing but 9:8. Reverse of the weight. So you just need to find the weight on A and B. If you have third line, your aim is to find weight on A and B, and the BF upon FA is the reverse of the weight at A, weight at B. I hope it is clear. Work on the second figure. So ABC is a point, D is a point on AD, E is a point on AC. The intersection point of AD and BE is O. A line from C passing through O meet AB at F. Find the ratio of BF is to FA if we have AO upon OD is 2:3 and BD upon DC is 3:4. Again, assume we do not have line CF. So, weight at B is 4, weight at C is 3, weight at D is 7. Line AD, weights at A should be 21/7 by the product rule. Now we have weight at A, weight at B, draw the line CF. So what is the ratio of BF is to FA? BF becomes 21/2 and FS becomes 4. So BF is to FA ratio is 21:8. So you just need to find the weight at A and B. In figure number 3, we have ratio of BO is to OE and BD is to DC and looking for ratio of BF is to FA. So we distribute the weights without the line CF. B 12, C 9, so D is 21. E should be 16. So we can say on line AC, A should be 7. So we have weight on A and B. Draw line CF. So BF upon FA is nothing but 7:12. In the last figure, when we have inner weight and we are looking for the ratio of BF is to FA. So first we have to equate the inner weight. Summation is 9, summation is 8, cross multiplies. So we can say our distribution should be AO becomes 40, OD becomes 32, BO becomes 45, OE becomes 27. And if we work on line AD, A becomes 32, we work on line BE, B becomes 27. अगर आपको कहीं भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कि मैं ये कर कैसे रहा हूं, I would suggest please watch first 2 concept video. So the ratio of AF is to FB is nothing but 27:32. I hope this learning concept video would help you to find ratio of AF is to FB from the third vertex C. If you have any doubt, feel free to ping me either on Facebook or in this video thread. Thank you and happy learning.